Life insurance. What is the first thing that is coming in your head? Yes. Are you thinking about Life Insurance Corporation? LIC. That is what we are talking about. Did you know LIC has an asset under management of 35 lakh crore and it gets 3 to 5 lakh crore premium every year? Have you ever wondered where LIC uses this money? Hi, this is Sumuk and today we'll be talking about LIC and how they use their funds. So basically there are three main avenues wherein LIC invests its fund. 1. Government securities. 2. Equities. 3. Other investments. Now we'll go through each one of them and understand them better. Since this is one of the largest financial companies in India and controlled by government, their safety is the first priority. So out of 35 lakh crore, 20 lakh crore has been invested in government securities such as treasury bills and government bonds. So let us understand government securities. So the government basically takes loan from the investors and pays interest on regular basis. So this is one of the safest methods of investment because it is backed by the government. Even in critical conditions, the government has the ability to print notes and pay back the debts, and chances of default are very low. Since this is one of the safest investment opportunity, they get regular payment from the government on regular basis. But there is a problem over here. They don't have opportunity of big growth over here. Thereby LIC looks into other sources of income, that is equities, wherein they have high rate of returns for higher risk. So now we'll be looking at the equity portfolio of LIC, wherein 5.8 lakh crore has been invested in the equity sector, wherein the large amounts have been put into the blue chip companies such as Reliance, ITC, Infosys, HDFC and etc., wherein a smaller amount has even been put into small caps and mid caps as well. Basically, Mr. Kumar, the chief of LIC, believes in the contrarian method of investment, wherein they buy the stocks when majority of them are selling and they sell the stocks when majority of them are buying. The best example for this was during the COVID situation. So during the time of April and May, when the markets were low, they increased the investment in equity by 34%. That is from 4.3 lakh crore to 5.8 lakh crore. Now we will be looking at the good and bad investments made by LIC. One of the example for good investments is in Reliance, wherein they hold 5.8% stake. During the rally from March to July, they have gained over 40,000 crore just by investing in Reliance. Some of the bad investments done by LIC are Reliance Capital, Reliance Housing and Finance, DHFL, S-Bank and JP Infra. So they have incurred a loss of over 30,000 crore from these investments and the chances of recovery is slim to nil. Does 30,000 crore look like a huge amount for you? But for LIC, this is less than 1%. Now we will look at the other sources of investment they have done. That is, they have a huge investment in gold, which is also considered as safe haven, and a large pile of cash. And they also have investment in liquid and marketable securities and corporate bonds. So you can easily say there is big, bigger and biggest, and then comes LIC. This is the broad portfolio of LIC. Hope you have liked the video. For more such content, like, share and subscribe.